may gulay. What guys, don't forget to like and share. Don't miss this video, this live. Ticket for you. See what is beautiful. This side, there's so many taking the picture from that sun. I don't know how to do the last time. I'll try. Someone Filipino, and then editing. Film editing. See how beautiful. That is Londoners. I heard someone said that this Londoners honored by Jack Chan because the last time we have NBA player all coming here in Macau. We'll see if that is true. Yeah, said. I'll take the picture from there. I don't know how to do it.
The next station is the London Macau. Doors will open on the right-hand side. Mind the gap. Mind the gaps.
No, not typing now. Just only watch. What a so beautiful place here. As you can see, look at that. Seeing twice is another paradise.